This guy is a textbook example of how not to drive. There's a completely empty lane available, but he chooses the one that already has a car coming down the road. It takes a lot of time and effort to stop a 40,000-pound engineering marvel. You can clearly see that in this clip. But some people still choose to blame truckers for tailgating that. Watching a school bus jump a yellow light today was a terrifying reality check. People are getting way too comfortable ignoring the rules. Don't trust other drivers with your safety. Protect your vehicle with a dash cam. It's a lifesaver in situations like this. Check the description for more info.
Spin out of control. Yeah, spin out of control. Spin out of control.
This pickup driver was tailgating the dashcam driver for about 30 minutes, but eventually spun out of control on the snowy road. According to sources, he actually started blaming the dashcam driver for it later. The audacity of people nowadays. Anyway, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It looks like the truck that ran the driver with the trailer off the road actually pulled over. Does that mean the vehicle malfunctioned, or did the driver just decide to stop after the chaos? Comment down below. What do you think happened? I guess the guy was on his phone. That's probably why he sat at the green light, completely ignoring it. These are the same people who feel like you've insulted their manhood just because you honked at them. There's a saying, the fundamental cause of the trouble is that in the modern world, the stupid are cocksure, while the intelligent are full of doubt. I guess that statement suits this scenario perfectly. Stopping was the best move here because you have no idea if that person is going to do something crazy like gun it in front of you in the next lane. The dashcam driver definitely did the right thing. That wraps it up for this compilation. Let me know in the comments which clip you thought was the craziest today. I'm still trying to process that school bus jumping the light. If you're driving without a camera, you are taking a huge risk. Check out the affiliate link in the description to grab a reliable dashcam and protect your wallet. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Caught on Tape for more clips coming soon. Stay alert out there and drive safe.